What's up guys, you're watching this tutorial, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-109503-8, and error occurred while connecting to the PlayStation Network. It's a simply connection error, a network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. And then you just go to the settings here, and here's the settings, and user and account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and the login settings that your PlayStation 5 is logged in or not. You just check it, and then you must go to the network setting and view PlayStation Network services. Here is the view PlayStation Network services. You just check it. If the server is working up and good, then your local internet problem. If the server is not working, you just wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. And here's the server is working up and good, then you'll contact with the local internet provider or fix your own, set up a new connection, forget the old one, check the advanced settings, frequency settings, DNS settings, manually, primary, man, and here's the M2 settings. You just check it, and you can use a kind of wired LAN one. It's better, you get better speed on it, and simply that's how you can fix this kind of PSN network error not connecting. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.